Hey guys, real quick video today. We're doing relations and functions. First of all, what's a relation? What's a function? Well, the book definition of a relation is a mapping of numbers that are in one set with values that are in a second set. So basically, this right here is a relation. Here's the first set, here's the second set. Now, a function, the book definition for a function is a relation, in which each value in the first set is paired with only one value in the second set. So that means this is the first set. They're only paired once with this number. So let's do a problem and get into this a little more. Alright, first off, are these relations a function? Alright, how do we check that? Well, we have to make sure that this 6 is not paired with another number in this set. And is that true? Yes. What about -5? Is it only paired with 7? Yes. What about -4? Only paired with -3? Yes. Therefore, this is a function. Now, they usually ask for the domain and range. We're going to do that. Domain. Alright, my domain is basically all my x values. So 6, -5, -4. Some teachers ask you to put these in from like least to greatest. I don't think it matters. My teacher didn't. So, but just a heads up. And then our range. Our range are basically our y values. So -2, 7, -3. Alright, so that is your answer. It's a function, and that's the domain, and that's the range. Alright, next one. We have 8 and 3, 3 and 6, 8 and 2, 4 and 2. Now you guys can graph this. If you graph this, you guys can use the vertical line test. Or, I mean, it'd be really easy to tell if it's a function or not a function. We'll do graphs in the next few problems. So, let's just do this. Let's see. 8 is paired with 3, okay. 3 is paired with 6. Is there a problem between these two? No. It's fine that 3 in this one is as a domain, and in here it's a range, so that's totally fine. 8 and 2. Wait. 8 is paired with 3 and 2. So there's a problem right there. We could stop there and say this is not a function because our first set, which is the range, which is the domain or x value, is paired with 2 numbers. So it's not a function, but let's check anyway. Let's continue to check. 4 and 2. Here, that's not going to cause any problems too. That only will cause a different problem, but I'm not going to go into that right now. So let's do this. So this is not a function. Why? Because the 8 and 8 are paired to 2 different numbers. And that goes against the definition, which says that it's only paired with only one value in the second set. Alright, next problem. Alright, here are the graphs. And with the graphs, it's a lot easier because you see it and you won't mess up. But anyways, what we use is the vertical line test. And I mean, you can get your pen, your pencil, whatever, and you just go straight across and just make sure that you never have 2 points where they how do you explain this? It's just you can't have 2 points touching. Like in this case, you don't. You can go straight across and none of these touch at the same place, or like, yeah, anyways. So that is going to be a function. And the range, we can tell the range. We have -3, so it's going to be y is greater than, oh, write it up here. Y is greater than or equal to -3. And you can basically check that. You can plug in 0 and check if it works. So that works. That's the answer for that one. And now this one, we're going to do the vertical line test. So we're going to go straight across. And oh no, we have 2 points. Okay, let me do a different color. We have 2 points. We have this and this. 2 points that touch each other. This is what I meant, though. I didn't want to like say it, but anyways. 2 points that touch, and if you continue to go across, you see that all these points are touching. So this is not a function. And whenever it's not a function, you don't have to write the domain or range, which is really nice because it's less work for you. So yeah, those are relations and functions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.